Imagine this: plump, juicy strawberries, bursting with flavor, picked fresh from your own indoor garden. It's easier than you think. Indoor gardening brings the joy of nature right into your home, no matter the season or space. And what better treat to grow than delicious strawberries? Growing indoors allows you to control the environment, ensuring your plants thrive year-round. No more battling unpredictable weather or pesky garden pests. Plus, tending to your indoor garden can be a relaxing and rewarding experience, connecting you with nature and bringing life and beauty into your home. Strawberries are the perfect choice for indoor gardening. Their compact size makes them ideal for containers, and their vibrant red fruits add a cheerful pop of color to any room. And let's not forget the taste. Nothing beats the sweetness of a freshly picked homegrown strawberry. So are you ready to embark on this delightful journey? Let's dive in and discover the secrets to growing your own delicious indoor strawberries. Not all strawberry varieties are created equal when it comes to indoor growing. You'll want to choose varieties that thrive in containers and under artificial light. Two excellent choices for indoor gardens are ever-bearing and day-neutral strawberries. Ever-bearing varieties produce fruit multiple times throughout the growing season, ensuring a continuous supply of sweet treats. Some popular ever-bearing varieties include Seascape, Eversweet, and Ozark Beauty. These varieties are known for their delicious flavor and abundant fruit production. Day-neutral strawberries, on the other hand, are not affected by daylight hours and can produce fruit consistently throughout the year. Some popular day-neutral varieties to consider are Albion, Tristar, or Selva. These strawberries are known for their adaptability and ability to produce fruit even with limited sunlight. When selecting your strawberry plants, choose healthy, vigorous specimens from a reputable nursery. Look for plants with bright green leaves, strong root systems, and no signs of pests or diseases. Creating the perfect environment is crucial for your indoor strawberry garden to flourish. Think of it as building a cozy, sunny home for your berry plants. First, you'll need suitable containers. Strawberries have shallow roots, so you don't need anything too deep. Choose wide, shallow pots or window boxes with good drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Next, let's talk soil. Strawberries prefer a slightly acidic soil that's loose and well-draining. A good potting mix formulated for vegetables or berries is ideal. You can also add perlite or vermiculite to improve drainage and aeration. Now, for the most important ingredient, light. Strawberries need around 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily to thrive. Since you're growing indoors, you'll need to supplement with grow lights. LED grow lights are energy efficient and provide the right spectrum of light for optimal growth. Place your containers in a sunny location, like a south-facing window, and supplement with your grow lights as needed. Make sure the lights are positioned close enough to the plants, about 6 to 12 inches above the foliage. Just like us, strawberries need the right balance of sunshine and water to thrive. Maintaining consistent moisture is crucial, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Water your strawberry plants deeply but infrequently. Instead of shallow watering every day, give them a good soak when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. This encourages the roots to grow deeper into the soil, making the plant stronger and more resilient. Use a watering can with a gentle rose or a spray bottle to avoid disturbing the delicate roots. Water slowly and evenly, ensuring the entire root zone is moistened. Allow excess water to drain out from the bottom of the pot. To check if your plants need watering, stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it feels moist, hold off for a day or two and check again. Remember, proper watering is essential for healthy growth and abundant fruit production. Pay attention to your plant's needs and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. To produce those juicy, flavorful berries, your strawberry plants need a steady supply of nutrients. Think of it as providing them with a delicious and nutritious meal. Start by using a high-quality potting mix that contains some slow-release fertilizers. This will provide your plants with essential nutrients for the first few weeks of growth. After about a month, you can start supplementing with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Choose a fertilizer specifically formulated for strawberries or fruiting plants. These fertilizers contain the right balance of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to support healthy growth and abundant fruit production. Fertilize your strawberry plants every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season, following the instructions on the fertilizer package. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can damage the roots and harm your plants. Remember, feeding your strawberries is key to ensuring they have the energy to produce those sweet, delicious fruits. Here's a fun fact. Strawberries rely on pollination to produce those plump, juicy berries we all love. Since you're growing indoors, you might not have as many helpful pollinators like bees buzzing around. But don't worry, you can easily play the role of a bee and pollinate your strawberry plants by hand. It's a simple and satisfying process. Using a small paintbrush or cotton swab, gently swirl the brush or swab inside each flower, transferring pollen from the anthers, the male part, to the stigma, the female part. You can also gently shake the plants to help distribute the pollen. Repeat this process every few days, especially when the plants are in full bloom. You'll be amazed by how quickly your efforts will result in plump, delicious strawberries. Even with the best care, your strawberry plants might encounter a few hiccups along the way. But don't fret. Most common problems are easily solvable. One common issue is yellowing leaves, which can indicate overwatering, underwatering, or nutrient deficiencies. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering accordingly. If the soil is dry, water more frequently. If it's soggy, let it dry out before watering again. If you suspect a nutrient deficiency, try fertilizing with a balanced liquid fertilizer. You can also check the pH of your soil and amend it if necessary. Another common problem is pests. While less common indoors, aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies can still infest your plants. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests, such as webbing, sticky residue, or tiny insects. If you spot any pests, isolate the affected plants and treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. You can also use a strong stream of water to dislodge pests from the plants. After weeks of patiently tending to your indoor strawberry garden, the moment you've been waiting for has arrived, harvest time. There's nothing quite as satisfying as plucking those ripe red berries from your own plants. Strawberries are ready to harvest when they've turned a vibrant, deep red color all over. Gently grasp the berry between your thumb and forefinger and twist it gently to detach it from the stem. Avoid pulling or tugging, as this can damage the plant. Freshly picked berries are at their peak of sweetness and juiciness. Enjoy them immediately for the ultimate taste of summer. Now that you have a bountiful harvest of homegrown strawberries, let your culinary creativity run wild. These sweet gems are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Slice them over your morning cereal or yogurt for a burst of fresh flavor. Blend them into smoothies or milkshakes for a refreshing and nutritious treat. Bake them into muffins, pies, or tarts for a delightful dessert. Or simply savor them fresh, dipped in chocolate or whipped cream for the ultimate indulgence. Preserving your strawberry harvest is a great way to savor their sweetness long after the growing season has ended. Make homemade strawberry jam, jelly, or preserves to enjoy throughout the year. You can also freeze your berries for later use in smoothies, sauces, or baked goods. One of the greatest joys of gardening is sharing your harvest with others. The smiles on their faces as they savor the sweetness of your homegrown strawberries will surely warm your heart. Gift baskets filled with freshly picked strawberries, homemade jam, and strawberry-themed treats make thoughtful and delicious presents. Host a strawberry-themed brunch or picnic for friends and family, showcasing your gardening prowess. Share your passion for indoor gardening and inspire others to grow their own food. Teach your children or grandchildren about the wonders of nature and the joy of harvesting their own food. Sharing your knowledge and love for gardening is a gift that keeps on giving. Growing your own indoor strawberry garden is more than just a culinary adventure. It's a journey of connection, creativity, and joy. As you tend to your plants, you'll find yourself slowing down, appreciating the simple things, and connecting with the natural world. The act of gardening can be incredibly therapeutic, reducing stress and promoting a sense of well-being. And when you finally taste those sweet, juicy strawberries, bursting with flavor, you'll experience a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that only comes from growing your own food. So, embrace the joy of indoor gardening and let the sweetness of homegrown strawberries brighten your days. Happy gardening!